back in the shop again, and oh, yeah, that's what we're doing today. All right, yeah, this is what we're doing today. Ball joints on this side. Hooray! Stuck. All right, well, to start off, I was going to do a big long voiceover for this video, but after placing a bunch of text at key points, I think that'll be more helpful. This is not quite so much a how-to video as a what you might encounter video. If you have your own 2004 to 2008 Ford F-150, I believe, this should be the same, if not very similar. Enjoy. I don't remember the size. If you've ever had to work on your car in freezing weather, go ahead and hit subscribe. Let's just take a look at what I just did. So when you're looking, there's the top caliper bracket bolt, and let's see, where is it? There's two bolts. The one on your right is a caliper bracket bolt. The one on the left is a hub bolt. Which one do you think I loosened first? Yeah, the wrong one. Dang it. Alright folks, so this is what I had to resort to last time too, was because again I'm lacking the proper tools for some of this. You have to improvise. I got a aluminum bar down here, a couple of C-clamps, and we're gonna add some pressure slowly. Let's see if we can get that bottom ball joint to pop out of our I don't like this, but okay. So most of the hard part's done now. That's why you leave the nut on the bottom, by the way. If you're still watching this video, you probably already knew that. And you're just watching me struggle. Whatever. Riddle me this. Why didn't I take all the snow off the truck before bringing it in to a warmed up shop? I have a lake. Yeah. Alright folks, so we are about halfway through and I need a short break. I just want to take a few seconds and say howdy to our neighbors to the north. Thanks for making so many car parts for us here in the US. I'd rather you guys do it than import them from, well, just about anywhere else. So I don't know if the person that put this together last time owned a torque wrench, but I do. So let's put it back together correctly. So I think that's going to do it for today. My phone is getting low on battery. Didn't bring my charger. And I need to use the phone to look up torque specs for these replacement parts because they're not the same as the Ford specs, of course. So I don't think you're going to miss much. Put a few bolts back in, rotate the tires on the truck, and roll it out of the shop. So if you made it this far, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.